Italian Destiny on Instagram, and I really love her style and how she dressed and whatnot, and her makeup is just so flawless to me and really simple, so I decided to recreate it, and you know, just for fun. If you haven't already subscribed, please do subscribe down below. Without further ado, let's get started with the video. This is the picture that I will be using. Let me pull it up on my phone. So we gotta get the earrings on and popping. First things first, I'm gonna prime my face. I'm using Smashbox Finish Primer. I will now do my eyebrows. There is a video up of how I do my eyebrows, so you guys can go over to that video to get a more in-depth way of doing my eyebrows. My lips are so dry. Let me put on some. So now I'll just conceal my dark spots with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in orange. I'm going to do the Maybelline Fit Me, and this is in Coconut, $3.55. I'll put some on the back of my hand, and then I will distribute it. I like to blend out with my fingers, and then I go with my brush. Now I will do some concealer. First I will do this foundation under my eyes. It's Maybelline Coconut as well. Is about my friend. Let's take some. I'm using this concealer to put under my eyes for the highlight. This is a lot of highlight. Then I'm using my fingers to blend it out. Now I'm going to set my under eye. Alright, so now I noticed that her face is, you know, real chocolatey and real, I feel like bronzy, if I'm not right. Now I'm just going to contour and bronze up my face using this Profusion palette. First, before I do that, I am going to contour a little bit with my cream contour, and this is the LA Girl Pro, and I will go in with my fingers. So I'm gonna take these two shades, and then we're gonna contour. So now it's time for the eyes. The eyes are a focal point. So I'm going to use my eyeliner pencil in black, and this is from Wet n Wild. To get the full effect, I'm going to put on my turtleneck. I should have put this on before I started. Let me set my face. This is the matte look, and she's super duper matte. Let's make that dry. So I'm just using my mascara. Mascara that I'm using is by Mary Kay. And yes, I am wearing something that mimics the image. My eyes is done. Let's fix the hair a little bit. Right, so now let's see what she did to her lips. She mostly wear nude lips, and so I'm just gonna do that and try and create an ombre. So I'm using this brown lip liner from the beauty supply store. And then I'm also going to use this Choco Craze lipstick. And to create the ombre, I'm using this Wet n Wild lipstick, and this is in Give Me Mocha. And I'm just gonna put it in the center of my lips. And I will lightly dab this NYX, this NYX Butter Lip, and this is in the shade Sydney. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you did enjoy it. If you did, don't forget to thumb this video up. Comment down below and tell me how I did. Subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Thank you to those who have already subscribed, you know. Let's start flourishing together, and I will see you in my next one. Peace.